Now question number 21's first is A plus B inverse into A inverse plus B inverse equals to 1 by B. So we'll start with A LHS here. So A plus B inverse means it can be written as 1 by A plus B because power is minus 1 here. So to make it positive, just do the reciprocal. So 1 by A plus B into A inverse means 1 by A plus B inverse means 1 by B. So equals to 1 by A plus B into, now here take the LCM. So AB means AB will be the LCM here. Now this will become B plus A. Now A plus B and B plus A will be cancelled to each other. So equals to 1 by AB. That will be RHS. Now question number 21 second is x plus y plus z by x inverse into y inverse plus y inverse into z inverse plus z inverse into x inverse. You have to prove that this is equals to xyz. So now if we simplify LHS, so x plus y plus z is written as it is, and x inverse into y inverse, both the powers are negative, so we can write it as 1 by xy plus this is y inverse z inverse, so we'll be writing it as 1 by yz plus z inverse x inverse, so we'll be writing it as 1 by z into x equals to, now x plus y plus z is written as it is by, now this three terms we have to take the LCM xy, yz and zx, so LCM will be xyz. Now xy is already here, so remaining is z plus yz is here, so remaining is x plus zx is here, so remaining is y. So it will be done like that. Now this is the by sign, that means this is the main divide sign. If you multiply it, so x plus y plus z as it is, and this xyz will come to the numerator, and this z plus x plus y can be written as like this. Now this and this will be cancelled, so answer will be xyz. Now question number 22, a equals to c to the power z, b equals to a to the power x, and c equals to b to the power y. This is given and you have to prove xyz equals to 1. Now a equals to c to the power z, it is given. This implies a equals to, now c's value is also given, v to the power y. So b to the power y you write in place of c and z is there. So what can we write? A equals to b to the power yz. Now this implies a equals to, b's value is again given, it's a to the power x, so just put a to the power x, and yz is again in the power. So a equals to a to the power x into y into z. So now this is the power 1. So now if we compare it, so we'll find base is same, so exponent will also be same. So this will become xyz is equals to 1. Now question number 23 is given a equals to x into y to the power p minus 1, b equals to x into y to the power q minus 1, and c equals to x into y to the power r minus 1. Now you have to prove a to the power q minus r into b to the power r minus p into c to the power p minus q is equals to 1. Now first step, what will we do? We'll write down the LHS and then we'll put the value of a. So a's value is x into y to the power p minus 1. So substitute it in power q minus r. Into b's value is x into y to the power q minus 1 into r to the power r minus p. And c's value is x into y to the power r minus 1 and power is p minus q. Now according to the law of exponent, all will be getting powered. So x to the power q minus r into y to the power p minus r into q minus r. Now here Again x to the power, this is r minus p, and y to the power q minus 1 into r minus p. Similarly, x to the power p minus q and y to the power r minus 1 into p minus q. Now all the excess power to be added, since they all are in multiplied form. We have the law a to the power m into a to the power n is equals to a to the power m plus n. So since the base is same and they are multiplied, so the power will be added. So x to the power q minus r plus r minus p plus p minus q, all will be there, and y to the power, this is p minus 1 into q minus r plus q minus 1 into r minus p plus r minus 1 into p minus q. Now, after writing it, we'll see that all these powers will be cancelled. Plus q minus r plus r minus p plus p. All will be cancelled and x to the power 0 will be there. And for this y to the power, you just have to multiply here pq minus pr minus q minus a plus qr. Then plus qr minus qp minus r minus a plus p. And here r minus 1 into p minus q is there. So pr minus qr minus p and minus a plus q. Now here also all the terms will be cancelled. Plus pq minus pq. So this is minus pr, this is plus pr, then minus q plus q, then plus r minus r, then plus qr minus qr, minus pq is already cancelled with plus pq. In that way, all the terms will be cancelled and finally we'll be getting y to the power also 0. And anything to the power 0 is equals to 1. So this is 1 into 1. So answer will be 1.